Okay, hello, good afternoon. Here's another tutorial. Since my internet connection is already back, so I'm going another video tutorial on trading and also for reference in our BIM processes, BIM management, and how to handle uh, a BIM processes or a specific project file model. This is just for my own copy, a reference, so that I have something to review and go back to all those automations and BIM processes that I made for the past years that I'm working in this career. Anyway, so let's talk about the topic today is the batch renaming sheets in view after a project handover. So the scenario here is that after the consultant already finished their model and then handed it to the contractor, then the contractor will modify the drawings and update it as a what else detail level of from 300 to maybe 350 of details. LOD 200, 300, 350, and then 400, and then 450 or 500. So anyway, that's the construction. The point here is that from consultant, the project or the model, Revit models, is handed already over to the contractor. Then, what is the best process in the contractor side on handling this Revit model? Okay, so let's go. One is you check of course, the sheets. Okay, I already updated some of the drainage sheets on how to automate and how to what is the best practice. So if you can see here, for example, this drainage, you can see that I already changed the numbering. The numbering here is A0001 like this. But this one is some standard, default standard that I know from previous working in a different company. Is for the drawing floor plan, it start with 0100, and for the standard details, it usually start with 0800, okay, or 0900, okay, just for example. But the actual naming for this one is this is the consultant. Then, of course, we don't want this numbering, and you want to update it based on the contractor's drawing numbering, BIM standard, or BIM execution plan. So I want to change this one. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is that you have to check the numbering and automate all the numberings as well as the view. If you can see here, the view, open this one, all the view inside these sheets has a name corresponding also a project number based on this one. I automate it using the roots sheet link. And then I'm using the Google Drive to open my Excel and then push back to Revit. So you can use in the Google Drive because from now I don't have the license in my desktop for the Office Excel. Anyway, so for this discipline, drainage, I already update all this numbering. The views also updated, and even in the details, you see, it's all updated here. Okay? So let's go to the process on how I do it. How did I do it? And let's check the next step is the fire. We will update this one based on the numbering standard. So in here, let's say the general notes is 000 and drawing list. If you open the fire, so that's the drawing. This is the drawing list, and this is all the general notes, site development. So it start with 010. Okay, but we don't want this A0 here. We're just going to remove this and just stick to this DR or F or FR, FP or FF, then dash direct number. No need to put the A0. How you can automate that one? And also we will automate also the link floor plan and 3D views with the correct also number here. We will rename also the view so that when we delete some views and 3D views, drafting view, we will know that when there's a code in the view, it is used in the drawing. It's better to be clear, no? You have to be precise. Although the Revit will prompt you that it is used in another drawing, but still, I prefer to put the views with the correct drawing number. You see, all the drawing numbers is here. And also the purpose of this one is to automate also after, if you have all the numbering here, you can automate also this one in placing to sheets. But that's on another topic. But anyway, so let's do the first topic here is how you can rename and rename the sheet number and then rename the view name in the floor plan. Anyway, so let's go to the file here. And then we're going to rename this one and also the view. So the first thing to do is go to the sheet link. Okay. And then go here in models, schedules, and then you select drawing list. And then you're going to export that to Google Drive. I already exported it. When you select it, it will automate to be loaded into the Google Drive. So when I open my Google Drive here, this one, okay, what's this? Okay, so I already placed that one, drawing list here. This one, copy. Okay, and so when I open this one, open with, yeah, close this one. Close this one. Open with Google Sheets. So this is all the drainage they already changed, updated. Now we're going to update this one. So for this one is easy because it already is in correct sequence. You just select here and then where's find? Find, where are you? I cannot find the find button. Where are you? Anyway, I'll just show you. You can remove this one and then change this one to FF. Okay. Okay. So since this one, okay, where is find here? Find spelling slicer. Zoom full screen. Escape. Sorry guys, this one. Control H. Line. Find and replace. Okay. Select this one. Okay, and then find this. Okay, find sorry. A0 dash A0 dash replace with nothing. Okay, replace all. So it should change here, and then this one also going to change A1 place. Okay, the sheet replace all, and I don't want F only, I want to add FF, so find F replace with FF. Okay. Control H. Replace. Okay. Okay. Control H. Okay. So you have already changed this one. Then you save. It will automate save. File. Save as Google Sheets. Drawing list. Okay. And then let's check the Google drawing list. So this one you can delete because you have already this one. Okay, now for the view name to change it, I already copied it. This is the old file, and the drainage already changed here. This one has a formula, concatenate. So for the fire, you just go here. For example, this one, you just grab it and copy here. Then copy and to paste it in the view name. Cover page and paste special values only. Then you save that one. I think it's already file. Anyway, it's already changed. So when you go here and then you import the view, watch all the view here. It will change here. And I'll check. So when I select import from Google Drive, then work in progress, and you select the view list, it's the same, no? You just import this one and watch here the code name will change also. Okay, and then let's see, close this one, close. So when I check here, all the drafting view has all now changed and updated for the file. Okay, typical installation. The purpose of this one is that what if you want to delete and rearrange this one, at least you know that it was placed in the specific folder and sheets. So anyway, I'll show you. It's all renamed. Okay, so what if I'm going to delete the sheets and then place create a new sheets, new orientation, new presentations? We can also do that and automate that placement using the routes, but you are going to use the what else? The sheet manager. I did not install it yet, but I will install it. Once you have the sheet manager, it will automate also the placement of views. So for example, this one, let's open and then drafting details. For example, this one, right? So if you open here, there's the drafting details. So this one, you should minimize this one. Okay, let's just maybe file prompt. So this one, you see here all the numbering is incorrect also. But let's go to the basic floor plan. So in the routes, if you have this orientation here, you can create a template from this drawing and then you apply it, duplicate multiple to the rest of the drawing, and it will place also the view in a specific location from previous template or setup. Yeah, for now, I think that's it for now. The next topic will be the placement of sheets on automation. So imagine you have to rename this one manually. For example, plumbing, one by one. No need to do that. You need to do that. Just push it to the Excel and then update and then push it back here. That's it for now for the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay.